Okay, so Whirlpool also sent me their Affresh washer cleaning kit, and this is for high efficiency washers. And these are particularly susceptible to odors, especially because of this little rubber lining in here. Sometimes stuff can get caught in there and it can really sort of make a smell. And actually this is something that I've sort of struggled with, like how to get it smelling really nice. So I'm excited to see what Whirlpool has sent. So again, sort of like with the dishwasher tabs, they have these tabs that all you need to do, this is really quite simple, is you're just going to put it in an empty drum. So no laundry in there, just throw it on in. And then it says to run a cycle. And I also wanted to show you how this came too before I do that. So it comes in a little box, and it comes with the tablets, and it also comes with these grit grabbers. So once I've gone ahead and run the cycle, I'll show you how these are supposed to work at cleaning the rest of the inside to get it smelling really good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna run this. You wanna make sure that it's on hot because the heat is gonna activate, I guess, the smells and the cleaning power, right? So we'll go ahead and start this. Okay, so that is working. We'll come back in about 45 minutes and I'll show you how the rest of it works and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've run our clothes washer and that cleaned the drum out, but there's still some residual odor because I still need to clean the rubber lining that seals up with the door. So Whirlpool, the second part of their Affresh kit is this, what they call this grit grabber. And it smells very lemony fresh. So the idea is you just want to open it and then you're just going to start cleaning the rubber lining, and apparently there should be some grit. And I've actually never ever done this before, so I'll be curious if what it picks up or what it does. But they said to like sort of move the lining back, and you just want to sort of go all the way around. So I'd be curious to see if that's picking up. Yeah, it is. Look it really is picking stuff up. So that's oh my gosh. Yeah. And I've never done that before. So no wonder there's probably been this odor in here. I've never done this. So it did say that you may need more than one, and I think since I've never done this, I probably will. I also noticed when I opened the door that there was sort of this grime around here. So I'm just going to try. Yeah, that's picking that up too. So right to where it seals the door. So far I'm saying I'm liking these products, and I like the idea of the odor being gone, because honestly, with this wash machine, I do get stuff that's like sometimes a sock will get stuck in there, and I think it sort of makes a little smell. But I like the idea that I can, in addition to running the cycle, I can also go in there with an actual product and scrub out what might be causing some real odor issues. So overall, I'm really impressed. I do know that this product is for sale at a number of retailers, so I'll include that with my post. I believe they're very inexpensive. I think about $6 for a kit, and there's enough to last for several cycles in here, so there should be like at least like a 3-month supply in one of these. So yeah, I have to say I'm sold on it. Thanks, Whirlpool.
If you've bought a washing machine in the past 5 or so years, you probably noticed an HE label is on it. That stands for high efficiency, and it means that you can use less water and also less detergent. Now, there are specific HE detergents that are meant to be used with such machines, but not all high-efficiency detergents are created equal. Some of them have slightly different concentrations, some of them have different dosing requirements. So Procter & Gamble came out with a new type of detergent. It's called HE Turbo. This is trademarked, unlike the regular HE badge. It's starting out on Tide. It's going to be available in late February, early March of 2015. And it means that you know exactly what you're putting into your washing machine. And also, it's a lower sudsing detergent. Now, suds do show that the bubbles are scrubbing, but sudsing also can confuse your washing machine's sensor, which thinks that dirty water or soapy water is being washed out. That forces the washer to put in more water and extend cycle time, so you're stuck waiting for your clothes to finish. So what we did to test these two detergents was take two identical washing machines, two identical 8-pound loads of laundry, and two identical stain strips with standardized stains on them. We put them in the washer, we timed how long it took, and then we compared the stain strips before and after to see how close to white that they got. This machine, we used the standard detergent that is HE compatible, and we actually did not see an over-sudsing condition. Now that may have something to do with this washing machine. It may just be particularly good at that. Where we did see a differentiation, however, was in the machine with a turbo detergent. We saw slightly better stain removal performance. And in fact, when I say slightly better, I mean that it was actually visible to the naked eye. It wasn't the difference between black and white, but our photospectrometer did catch a difference, and our own eyes saw that the regular detergent left a little bit of a dingier look to it. So is it worth it to switch to HE Turbo? It really depends. If you have a high efficiency machine, particularly if you have a front loading machine, if you use a lot of laundry at once, if you put in a really large load, that's where it really makes that much of a difference. Otherwise, you can stick with your standard detergent and see what happens. But if you find that your cycle times are lasting longer than they say in the machine, maybe it's time to give HE Turbo a try.